I know I have a lot of clothes. It is a problem. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Kylie if you're new here. If you're not new here, I'm still Kylie. You should definitely subscribe if you're not already. Hit that post notification button and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Today I'm going to be doing a closet clean out, closet declutter, Marie Kondoing, if that's how you say her name, my closet. I do this once every year where I take all of my winter clothes out of my closet, put my spring clothes in, and in that transition period I also go through all of my clothes. So I thought I would bring you guys along. Without further ado, let's just get into the before of my closet. Disclaimer, I know I have a lot of clothes. It is a problem to the point where like I have some in drawers, I have some in my under the storage of my bed, and so I'm trying to get rid of a lot. This has been quite a long intro just for me to show you my closet. Let's go. This is my side of the closet, and you can see this is the before. On the top I have just all of my bras, underwear, socks, and my swimsuits all the way over there. And then this is semi-organized. It's really not though, like it used to be by like style of shirt, and then I once went through and organized it by color, but now it's just a complete mess. On the left I have like this whole chunk of clothes that I just don't wear, and they're posted on my Poshmark, but I want to find a better system for that. I have a bunch of shoes there, and then down here the top 4 bins are clothes, the bottom 2 are more shoes. This is my jewelry perfume display. I did not organize it for you guys, so this is the current state. It is quite messy, so this probably will need organized. I don't know if I'm doing that in this video or in any video, but I thought I would show you because it's part of my closet. And I got this on Amazon if you're wondering, as well as the little totes up there. And then these bins and the shoe rack, they all actually are the same height. If you can see, my shoes are resting up there, but those are all from Target, and one of the main reasons why I wanted to get them is because they all create this flat surface. So once I take all these clothes out, you'll see that I have stuff sitting on top of that, like my rain boots and stuff like that. So I'm gonna start taking all these out, piling it on the bed, and let's just get this started. Okay, so these are just all of the clothes that I had in my closet. So that is quite disgusting. You can see the layers and layers of clothes under that. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is what my closet looks like now. Quite bare. And this is all the stuff I had underneath. Wow. That is insane. I'm just gonna get started with this pile and start sorting through things. I don't, like these bins under the bed have my summer, spring clothes, so, or some of them, so I don't even want to pull those out yet because I want to get through this mountain. So let's get started. Okay, so I've made a pretty good dent in the pile on my bed so far, and I've started folding the clothes that are like more winter, like sweaters and stuff that I don't want to go back in my closet. This is what we're working with. I've put a lot of clothes to the side that I'm just not sure if I want to keep yet. These are the sweaters and stuff that I folded up. I still need to fold up my Christmas sweater, and I haven't sorted through any of these yet. I have a feeling these are all going to be keeps. And then these are all the nose. So that's a pretty good pile so far. It's pretty good. And then I started putting things back in the closet, but I haven't organized it yet. So we are making progress. A lot more still needs to get done. I would like to see a lot more of this go. I just think it's in excess. I don't think I need this many clothes. Okay, so we have another very overwhelming pile. These are all the clothes that I don't hang slash wear below the bed for summer, such as this dress. So I will be hanging it. It's just I was storing it because it can't fit in my closet during the winter months. Holy cow, you guys. This is insane. I did not add my leggings to this because I wear them every day. My leggings are like the one drawer that I'm in there enough that I know what I do and don't wear, and I wear them all. So I'm not going to be going through my leggings, but everything else in this pile I'm going to go through. And I don't know how long this is going to take. We're just gonna pick a side of the pile and start somewhere, and hopefully this pile is not this big. I need to go through all this. Hello guys, so it is much later. It is like dark outside now. It is 7:30 and I'm exhausted from doing all of this. Not that tired. Didn't take that much energy out of me, but holy cow, I got rid of a lot more than I thought I would. I went through all of my clothes. I threw out a lot, I would say. I'm still not done putting away the clothes that need to go under the bed, but that's because my dog is under the bed right now, so I can't put them under there. But let me show you the pile of clothes that I am donating, getting rid of, giving to friends, whatever I find for them. Hopefully they find a good new home. I decided I'm not going to sell them. I don't know if I said that earlier, but yeah, I'm not gonna sell them, just going to get rid of them. Good riddance. And yeah, this is the pile. So this is the huge pile of clothes. I have a lot of like old work clothes there. Honestly, it's just ridiculous. Some clothes just still have the tag on them, like these work pants. So, and I think this also has like stuff in it that I'm getting rid of as well. Fun fact, I wore those shoes for my college graduation. These are clothes I need to put away for next winter. This is the bed that finally has no clothes on it. And to put in perspective, these are all of the hangers that are empty now that would have been in my closet with clothes on them, even with adding all of the new summer clothes. So let me show you the after. Okay, so starting with down here, this is the one bin I said I wasn't going to touch because it's just my leggings. But these two, I organized them. This is now my shorts. Those are just like sweatpants and comfortable clothes. And that is now shoes. Those are all like my summer flip-flops. And the big reveal. I kind of color coordinated it there in the middle for fun, but the right side is all dresses, so couldn't really color coordinate those. But yeah, I think later I'm going to do the top stuff and go through all those bins because I haven't done that in a while, but this is the final product. I'm very happy with how it turned out. Honestly, this really needed done. It feels a lot better. I encourage you all to do the same because you don't realize like the things that you're holding on to. I also kind of moved some of my drawers around. So the one drawer had like pants in it, but it had so much extra space. So I moved my pants to a smaller drawer and then added all of my shirts that I had into that bigger drawer, and it just made things so much easier for me. So just a little bit of reorganizing, and wow, I can't believe I did that in like 3 hours. So I feel good. I feel great. Everything is clean now, and yeah, I don't know if I'm going to be making any more spring cleaning videos. I did all the cleaning for my apartment like a couple weeks ago, but I didn't make a video out of it. I just thought I would make this video because it's so satisfying to just see how many clothes you have in one space. It's ridiculous. Stay tuned. I don't know what the next video will be, but regardless, thank you guys so much for watching this. If you stayed all the way to the end, comment down below if you have a hard time going through your closet and getting rid of clothes, because I know I do. And at some point I had to have Will come in here and tell me what I did and did not need for my t-shirts, because I'm a hoarder with my t-shirts. Yeah, comment down below if you like hoard a specific like article of clothing or something like that. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Make sure you're subscribed and you have the notification bell on so you know whenever I post next. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!